Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm going to make a herb and garlic sauce. Very easy recipe to make. I know you guys definitely will love this one at home. Alright, so first thing you can see, I got some fresh everywhere, flat parsley, this is a flat parsley where I'm going to cut it up first. Straight inside of a blender. And we got some coriander right here. This is some fresh basil. Nice one. Now we're going to get some garlic. Three cloves of garlic will be pretty good to use. Some lemon juice, half a lemon juice. Going to put some pepper. Pinch of garlic and salt. Some olive oil. This dressing can be used for your purpose at home. Beautiful. So let's take a look and see what happened. All right. Nice one. So just finish blending it. All right. Now we're going to pour it inside of this little bottle. Nice one. Really nice. You can taste the garlic in it. Look at it. That is beautiful. So that little sauce is right there, guys, as you can see. Coriander, flat parsley, garlic, basil, ginger and lemon with some pepper and garlic salt. Enjoy the recipe, and hopefully we can come with more recipe like this so you guys can see how we make it. All right, lovely recipe. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time with more recipe. All right, but the beauty with this sauce, what you can also do if you're a person who loves salad, or into salad and all these things, say you get a bowl of lettuce leaf, pepper, And this is some salad season. All right. Same Jesse. Just pour it around like that. And that is fantastic and nice. Right, as you can see.